All right, ready? 5 minutes or less on how to add pictures to our site. Here we are, Breakaway's site here, breakawaybandrocks.com. Now, this isn't for adding pictures into a article. For example, like the bios, adding the pictures, that's completely different. This is for adding pictures underneath this pics thing right there, P-I-C-S. People understand that means pics. So you see we have a couple of things here. We have Facebook, we have CSI Party. So we're going to add some more pictures here. This is how it's done. First, you have to sign in. I'm going to sign in using my name. You would sign in using yours. Over here in the user menu, right here, see it? Click on Add Photos. And you get this. There is things written here. I know it's tough to see, but there's stuff written here because it's in white, and that's a CSS problem that I could get into, but truthfully, it's just slightly past my understanding where to find that. So just know that it's there. It's signed in there because I signed in down here under my name, so it's signed in as Scott here. No problem. Don't worry about the avatar. You don't want an avatar. I mean, fine. If you want an avatar, choose an avatar, but you don't need to see me. You know what I look like. So, main category. I want to create a category because those things that we saw up front are categories. So I'm going to call this one new category. And I'm going to describe it. This is a new category. That's right. Oh, proper punctuation. And then I go create. So this is just obviously, I'm going to take this off when we're done, just so that you can see how to do this. So I clicked on create. We are waiting up here. It says loading. So wait, there we go. Main category. It says new category and description. This is a new category. That thing right there means that it did it. Look, category saved. Subcategory, not going to add one. Don't do it. Don't do it. It adds just another folder into things, and there's no need for it. Images. Okay, check this out. This is the Java image uploader here. You can go one at a time if you want, right here, if you wanted to. Not gonna, though. What we're going to do is go select category into the new category right there. That's the one we just made, right? So I selected the category right here, new category. Then I'm going to select the state, not New York. It says published or unpublished. Unpublished means no one can see it except for us when we log in. Published means everybody can see it. So, of course, we want published. So here we are. We are in the new category, and we are published. Next, using this Java uploader. By the way, if you don't have Java on your computer, you go to java.com. It's right here. You go free Java download, and it downloads it. And then come back to this page. Here we go. I'm going to browse for some pictures. Let's see, pictures. This is on my Mac, so I don't have the full extent of our pictures here, but you can see some of the things I have. Let's see, photo booth. Have I taken anything in that? No. Pictures, there. Look, when you click on it, it pops up right there. Oh, look, there's a bunch in here. Okay. So I'm going to select a bunch. These are just random pictures. You select as many as you want. I selected multiple by going click, and then going down to the next one and holding shift while I click. That's how you select multiple, pretty much on every computer ever. And then I went choose. Look what happens. They're all right there. All right? If I don't like one of them, by the way, if I click it, look, it comes up right here. If I don't like one of them, I can remove it. If I think one needs to be rotated, you get the picture, the things that you can do here. Once I'm ready and I want these up, I go, see this button over here? Upload, click. I uploaded it. Look, 8 files uploading, waiting for server response. It's doing it. If I want it to stop, I can make it stop. Otherwise, it's still going. Give it a second because it's going to pop up some cool stuff. Okay, now look. It popped me back into my main category place. Fine, no problem. I go to now images. Check it out. There they are, all right there. If I want to add more, I add more. Otherwise, I'm done. They're all right here. If I'd like to change the name, let's see, it says published, title there. If I want to change it, I got to click on it and then change the title. I'm very, very sorry that these are white letters in here. I will see what I can do to fix those. Otherwise, they're a new category. They're published, and we are done. That's it. Look, they're published. They're authorized. Because they're going to be authorized because no one else can log into this site, only you guys. So it's authorized. Watch what happens when I click on Pix now. There they are. It's right there. We got our Facebook, we got new category, and then we got CSI Party May 1st. New category, we click on it, and there they are. By the way, if you chose a subcategory, if you made one, there would be another folder here, and then you would have to click another folder to get into this. So don't worry about it. Just the main category is good enough. All of these things. Here, watch. I'm going to log out so you can see the difference. Log out. I'm logging out here. Okay, now I go to Pix. This is what they look like without logging in. So you can either zoom in on it or download it. That's it. Okay? Now, we're going to sign back in because you can do some things from there. Signing back in. All right, I'm signed back in. I go to new category because there's a couple of these I don't like. Look at that. Don't like them. I could unpublish one if I want. See how it says unpublish? I put my mouse over it. It says unpublish. If I don't want people to see that one, it's gone. There. It's gone. Now it's still on our server space. We can go in the backspace right there. We can go and publish it again. So as soon as I log out, no one's going to be able to see that one. We can see it still. What if I don't like it altogether? I can click delete. And it's gone. Watch. This time it actually disappears. There it is. So that's how to add some photos. It's actually extremely simple to do. Add photos, make a new category, upload the images, name them whatever you want, and you're done. And you log out. Now here's the thing. I got to get rid of this whole category now. Right? Yeah. Because this whole category, don't want it. Going back. This new category, I will get rid of. I'm going to go into the back end and get rid of that ourselves. So, that's how you add photos. If you ever add a category and it's completely published and it's finished like this and you have trouble getting rid of it, let me know because that's something you might have to do in the back end. Otherwise, that's how you add new photos. Nice and simple. Log in out. Let's see, is there anything else we need to know how to... you know what? I'll make some more videos, but that'll be good for now. We'll talk to you soon.